The human stomach is a remarkable organ. It plays a crucial role in digestion, breaking down the food we eat. However, this vital process comes at a cost. The stomach faces a daily battle against a powerful force, its own digestive acids. These acids are essential for breaking down food, but they can also damage the stomach's lining. Stomach acid is a highly corrosive substance. It's powerful enough to dissolve some metals. While this acidity is essential for digesting food and killing bacteria, it poses a constant threat to the stomach itself. Imagine the stomach lining as a delicate layer constantly exposed to a powerful cleaning agent. Without a protective mechanism, the stomach would quickly digest itself. Fortunately, the stomach has an incredible defense mechanism: rapid regeneration. Every 3 to 4 days, the stomach lining completely renews itself. This means that the cells exposed to harsh acids are continuously replaced with fresh, new cells. This rapid turnover is crucial for maintaining a healthy stomach lining and preventing damage from the acidic environment. This constant renewal is a testament to the body's remarkable ability to heal and protect itself. It ensures that the stomach can continue its vital role in digestion without succumbing to its own acidic power. This process is a powerful reminder of the intricate and efficient systems that keep our bodies functioning optimally.